Oh, yeah, I'm good. I'm a professional driver. And we got all the boys with us today. Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can tell, we got a big box here. I mean, it's huge, but you can already tell by the title of the video, we are installing an aftermarket seat. Now, for reasons, I will disclaim, actually I have another video explaining why I got this, but there's multiple reasons why people say not to, why to get some. We're doing it not for only aesthetic reasons, we're doing it also for function. So, I take my car a lot now. With it not being my daily anymore, I like to take it up to 421, which is a road in Tennessee, East Tennessee specifically, where there's a lot of curvy roads, and I love it. It's fun. I also take this car autocrossing, and I want to be more one with the car, I guess you could say. And to do that, there's only a couple other ways you can do that. So I went ahead and invested in a bucket seat. So basically in this video, we're going to be installing that seat in here. It's probably really simple. It's just like 4 bolts, maybe 2 clips, and we'll be sitting low in this thing now. We'll finally be one with the car, I guess you could say. I don't know, but I've seen some seats. We got all the boys out there. We'll show y'all in a minute. We got like a whole car show here right now. Oh, look at that booty. That Mark. Okay, so right now we're gonna go ahead and unbox this, everything, and see what's in this box. It's just the sliding bracket mount and it's the actual seat. So it's really self-explanatory, like I said, but you guys are gonna see how to uninstall the seat and put in an aftermarket one in my 2016 WRX STI. Okay, so basically, if you don't know what it is the seat bracket which you move back and forth on, and there's the seats. So first what we're gonna do is, I guess, try to put this together, or we're gonna take out the old seat. Probably get this together first and get it assembled before we take out the old one. So yeah, let's get into actually assembling this first. It's probably really simple, just a couple bolts maybe, I hope. We'll figure it out. Okay, so let's go ahead and get to the actual seat. So any like basic seat, I'm pretty sure every seat's like this. You have 2 in the front and 2 in the back. So we got the 2 right here, 1 there, 1 over there. It's really dark, I know you can't see it, but it's right there. And then
you're gonna have to pop up the covers.
You're gonna have to get the covers off? Oh yeah, I'm gonna move the seat forward. And then the 2 back in there, which you said you're gonna pop off the covers. They should just like kind of, you know, I don't know how to get this off.
Honestly, you probably won't even need them on.
Oh, there's like a button. Oh, there we go. Well, I kind of got it. There we go. Yeah, so there's another one. That says 17, but I know that's not a 17 for a fact. So basically, it's just a little pop clip in there. Go ahead and push. It's kind of like, you can't see shit right there. But right back in there, guys, it's literally, just kind of finagle with it. Push down in the center of the cap on the rail and pull, maybe. There we go. I found a Chick-fil-A wrapper. Nice. Oh, and some quarters. Nice. Or something. So we got both of these covers out. Now we're gonna go ahead and actually unbolt the seat. So once again, 2 back here, 2 in the front. All right, take it over, buddy. Thanks, bud. Yeah. All right, so right now, like we said, we're just gonna go ahead and get the front and back 2 off. So I'm not gonna get the front, so I'm gonna push it back a little bit. I know you don't want to just see us wrenching down, so we're gonna get to this really quick and then get on actually taking the seat out. Sweet. Thanks. You know, should we do the battery, you think? Because of the seat? If I undo the seat?
I don't think so. Oh wait, with the whole heat.
Yeah, I don't know.
I don't think it's a big deal.
I hope not. We'll find out. Cool. Okay, so now that we got all 4 undone, we also have to, you can't forget this, don't just rip the seat out because you'll probably damage the electronics, but you have one for like the, I think it's obviously for the seatbelt, I think, and also the seat warmers. I think it's just the seat warmers actually. So we'll get over here in a second and try to find that plug. We're gonna go into here and see if we can actually see it. Yeah, right here. Okay, so this yellow clip, there's 2 of them. Shoot. So there's this one and one more. Oh yeah, I see them. They go right underneath the seat. So we're just gonna unclip those, and I guess they just dangle there. So we're gonna go ahead and clip those really quick. Okay, so yeah, there is 3 connections. You can see down in there. It's hanging up right there. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, there's one. Actually, yeah, there's three. So we're gonna go ahead and undo those really quick.
Are they stuck?
No, I'm just I'm having a hard time figuring out which way. I got.
Two of the clips were like a different type of like shape.
Like yeah, were
To
they?
get off.
As long as they're all off. Were they like not on the same pin part? This should just pull back, right? What the fuck? Is there a zip? Oh, there's a zip tie.
Just the clip itself, just to take it off, the tab itself was like in a different spot.
Okay. Oh, okay, I got you. Okay, so Mark got them all off, so that's good. That's good. All right, so we got the all the clips undone, and we got like there was like a little zip tie on there. Then we gotta get this seat out. So I think since this is alongside back here, we'll probably pull it out from this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the back door.
No, what you can.
It's not as dirty.
Bad as I thought it'd be.
Yeah, not as dirty.
So yeah, so there are 4 little Allen keys that we're gonna take those out and actually bolt onto the slider. So. Go ahead and just pick up the seat and put it on there. Let's see if that works. Slide it in. Okay, cool. So we got locked in. Sweet. First we gotta figure out what to do with this seat buckle thing.
Oh, I got it. Alright.
Alrighty. So now we actually got the bracket onto the seat. Now we're gonna go to the seat belt. I don't know. It looks like it's just one bolt. I don't know if we're gonna use the.
I think it might just be a 14 on.
All right, guys. So really, we sat here for a minute. We thought it was like an underneath bracket or something, but basically on this thing where the seatbelt connector is sitting, I don't know what it was. I just took these. Just go.
I handed that to you.
Oh, well, you know, little channel locks, and I kind of just grabbed it and yoinked it. Basically, I just pulled it as hard as I could, and it came off. So it doesn't look broken, so we're good. Let's go ahead and just hopefully, I hope this will just slide out. Oh, almost got it. Maybe. Oh, I think I'm pulling the actual wire. Well, that's not working. So I'm just gonna grind it down a little bit, the plastic, because I can't get it out. And I'm not reusing the clip. I just need to get it to where I can slide it through there.
There we go.
We got it. Sweet. Okay, so after about 3 grind sessions, that worked. Leave a comment below if you actually know how to get this out, because we couldn't figure it out. It's just one way or no way, really, it looks like. But we got this out. Now we can move on to the actual seat install.
I don't
You
even
think-
have to think about it. I just
You think you're gonna beat me on this scooter? What?
127.93.
127 around what? The square?
If you take the right here, you take the next left, and then you take the left after that.
Yep, and then come back around. You think
Yeah,
you got what? You got one what? One what?
127.93.
I haven't gone yet.
You gonna go right now?
Yeah.
Go for it. Let's see this. 127. When do you start it?
Right there at the blue line. Go around, get your running gauge, start at that blue line.
We got the whole car show up here, boys. Dang. Go, go. Cops that live over there.
Dude, I've been zooming past him. We're at 218
218, damn slow. Oh, dude, he's getting. What are you
2 minutes and 23
220,
seconds.
and you said 127?
Yeah, 127.
All right, man, it's gonna be game. Watch this. I'm calling a 123. Watch this. 123. 123. Watch this. Let me get next. Let me get next, Keaton. I'm gonna whip this home.
'Cause it's gonna be between me, you, and Smitty on who wins. I gotta go after him. I missed the turn. It's Keaton, me, Gunner, and you, Smitty.
124.
Sorry. I had to be the time. I'm so sorry.
I wasn't worried about me. I was worried about you.
I gotta put the helmet. What'd I get?
When you go 124.
Oh, yeah, I'm good. I'm a professional driver. Yeah! He's got the boy. The boy's pulling up. Oh yeah.
So Smitty's just cleaning out all the little dirt before we put the seat in.
I didn't do too bad. I wasn't that nasty for the 4.5 years. So
Yeah, not bad at all. Look at the back. It's like a mirror.
Near spotless.
Looks like new.
Yeah, right. Yeah. Sweet. Cool. Well, now let's go into actually installing a seat now. So let's get into it.
Let's do it.
All right, so now, I mean, this is just one 14mm bolt, and this is an essential. You need this or you're going through the windshield and your seat belt. So we're gonna go ahead and put this on the bracket that's already on the new seat. Just looks like slide it on. Yep, just slide on and screw it in.
So do you have plans to get like a harness or a harness bar or anything?
Yeah, eventually the harness will come along. I'm looking at like the bar that goes behind the seat and then the harness over top. But as of right now, I feel like seat belt, is just, it'll do the job until we get that.
Yeah.
Hopefully that'll come soon. I just don't want to do like no, because I was looking, you were saying like how we ought to probably cut it out and everything.
Right.
I don't want to cut the D pillars, which, I want to keep it OEM as possible. So we'll see what we can do about that. But if not, so be it, we'll cut it. But for now, this will do, and we'll figure something out eventually. All right, let's pick this beast up. Let's get her in there. Heads up, boys. All right. Thank you.
Is that heavy?
It's not too bad.
You want me to get on the other side of it?
I think we can get it. It should go easy. I'm gonna watch it from the other side.
I gotta do this in Fox.
There we go. Oh, we're close.
You need to move your stairwell up.
That one good. We got it. Scratched the wheel a little bit, but that's fine. It's stock wheel.
We're gonna get a carbon fiber one.
Yeah, that's what I need. All right. Go. There's clips are in the way a little bit. Let's try. There we go. I think we're in. We should be really close.
Yeah, it's pretty much
Holy
lined
crap,
up.
dude! Look how low this sits and how
Yeah.
high. And just repeat the process how we got it off. So screw those in.
Well, I guess just see how it feels.
Dude, I just want to sit in it. Yeah, so let's get the first seat.
Oh shit!
Oh my god, bro. Dude, I feel like I'm, oh god, dude.
How's it feel?
Like cardboard, I'll tell you that.
Oh my god, really?
I sit lower though. I do sit a little lower. Let's pull it up. Dude. Oh my god.
My ass is hurting.
You know, I'm glad I didn't get this years ago. You can't daily this, bro. I'm telling you all this right now. What? Now I just need a helmet on.
That's a lot.
Dude, holy crap. We'll figure out how to get that on there right. Dude, this is...
Now I know you won't drive the car as much.
So maybe just because... Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, there we go.
That works perfect. That's
Ready to
fine.
drive some twisties, right, Smitty?
Yeah, dude, I'm ready to send this. This is sick. I do. The only thing I wish this had was it adjustable to lean it back a little bit more because I'm like this almost. It's not too bad.
I've got two that you can buy.
This isn't that bad. Right where it's at right now. I noticed one thing is like, it's easier to press the clutch for some reason. Before it was like up and I had to go down. This is like my knees are higher up, so I can just kind of clutch kick that shit. I have like no room to move my arms, so even getting to the console. Oh boy. All right, who's next? Ooh. Right? What you think? What does it feel like on your butt? It's a little hard.
It's stiff. It's definitely stiff.
It is. I feel like as soon as I hit a bump, now I don't have any cushion. So I feel like I'm gonna just.
You're just gonna start bouncing out.
Yeah, right.
You definitely feel like you're in a race.
It does, yeah.
Yeah, I like it. It feels good.
Okay, so moment of truth. We got everybody here. Yes, sir. All right, let's see if it dings or anything. I think we're good. Let's try this. Okay, so the airbag's still on. Yeah, so that, okay, all right. Okay, so the airbag thing's still on, but I think there's a resolution to that. Something about like clicking the seatbelt belt so many times and turning the car on and off. We'll figure it out here in a second, but yeah, we got the seat in. And what y'all think about it?
Looks good.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, so I mean, I literally feel like I'm in a race car now, and this seat, probably, I haven't been over a bump yet, but we're probably gonna get some back problems here shortly. Like, honestly, because my butt feels like I am on this plastic, whatever it is. This cushion isn't that cushiony.
Yes.
But shit, I mean, it's gonna hold me in now when we go around those corners. It's not bad. Check that out, boys. Come on. Look at that. Dang. Looks like a real race car now. And the seat's so much further up now than the other one. Dang. All right, so today I get to test out the seat, but I don't think we're gonna get any footage of that because that's for another video. So